Hi, I'm promoting APA Division 25. Some might ask, what does that mean? Some might know, some don't. APA Division 25 is APA Behavior Analysis. It promotes basic research both on animals and humans. This certain division was founded in 1964 to promote basic and applied research to stimulate exchange of the information concerning such research. The experimental analysis of the behavior is the scientific study of voluntary behavior. I chose APA Division 25, which is the Division of Behavior Analysis, because studying the way humans' brains work and develop is always fascinating to me. Like, why people do what they do. Why do people do what they do? Exactly why I chose this. It's always been interesting to me as I've gotten older. The Netflix show Criminal Minds I've taken a very good interest in. I know it's not what you can really base off of, but it's something I look into because what they do is what a behavioral analysis do, and that's what my end goal is with my degree at the end of these 4 years. It shows how the brain functions and how people perceive messages, and how everyone does it differently. Everyone shows how they understand what they're talking about. Studying someone's way of life is what draws me to this certain division, and how people can go about their lives in different ways. Because you can have two people can have the complete same way of life and go about it completely differently. You all should join my APA Division Behavior Analysis, because we do analytic studies of behavior of biological, pharmacological, and experimental factors. They influence the behavior of humans and non-humans of animals. I recommend joining my division because you can work one-on-one with individuals going through something. What you can get out of helping an individual is a lot more than you think. You can help their way of in life, like you can improve their lifestyle and helping how they can fix it. If they come off a drug addiction, they have a traumatic experience, PTSD. The 3 branches of sciences that help behavior analysis is behaviorism. It focuses on the behavior and why it is the way it is. The second one is experimental analysis of behavior, which focuses on the different approaches to establish the relation between incidents and behaviors. And the last one is the applied behavior analysis, which focuses on behavior changes. It can be affected by your environment as well as your learning. A lot of that one is more where I'm towards, because I like to learn how your environment changes the way you think about life and how you take things on. Some basic topics that can be studied under this certain division is the reinforcement process that select or strengthen new behavior, choice, behavioral and economics, addictive behavior, including a conceptualization of addictive behaviors as being due to disturbances in reinforcement processes. The role of probability and delay discounting important is gambling and impulsively and self-control. Variation and selection in the new formation of behavior. Stimulus control process, discrimination, generalization, conditional discrimination. Functional analysis of the language. The formation of stimulus equivalence classes, in which seemingly disparate stimuli, like the spoken word chair and an actual chair, given rise to very similar responses. This area has shed light on how language emerge and treat of individuals with severe language deficits. So you can choose from that list of 9, on how you can perceive this APA. This certain APA brings, I believe this APA division is one of the most different, and has so many topics that you can choose upon and focus on. And I just think it's really cool to learn about the brain and how all of this affects the one part that controls your overall body, and how you think about something. An example, you can think about a math problem, and you give 2 people the same math problem, but they can completely both do it differently but get the same answer still. Another reason I chose this APA division was that we've had in my family a lot of people with mental illness that can affect this, and how that the drugs or anything they have taken can affect the brain. So I hope you enjoyed this. I really hope you can, if you have any more questions, I'm here to answer them. I hope you join my APA division. I don't know.